What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and I wanted to show you guys the behind the scenes of packing customers' orders at the start of the day. It's currently, look at me looking at my time. Look at me looking at my time. I literally just got out of the shower. It's currently 8 a.m. and 8:06, and I want to start by packing and logging today's order, and then once I'm done I'm gonna pack them and then start to prep for the day, which essentially has to do with prepping for a new product launch, which would come in another video. But right now I kind of want to focus our energy on getting these orders out of the way so that I can post our content for today. We also have to post on social media every single day, so except Saturdays and Sundays, without like my rest day. Pack orders, prep for the week, plan out what we're doing this week. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along the packing journey so that you see what actually goes on. First things first, I need to clear my desk because it's actually a mess. So I need to set you guys up on a better camera. I need to set you guys up on a better stand so that you can have a full view of the entire space. I want to log today's deliveries, how many deliveries we have for the day, print out their shipping labels and start packing them so that we can get that out of the way, and then we can focus on creating content for the day. So let's do that. Also, if right now you haven't gotten a Nutcased tumbler, either the 40-ounce tumbler that we used to have or this 24-ounce one, you're really sleeping on these mugs. Like, I've had water in here since last night, maybe 8 p.m. It's still frozen. Like, I think the ice just started to melt this morning, but it's still frozen since 8 p.m. I kept waking up to drink more water at night, and there's still water in here and it's still very cold. So if you haven't gotten a Nutcased tumbler by now, what are you really doing? Really not doing this. Alright. I think I can see all my orders for the day. Alright, I have a pretty basic order today, so I'm gonna just log this for pick up. Alright. Also, the sound that you guys keep hearing is my UPS, so just in case you're like, what's this beeping sound? It's my UPS. I'm so tired, it's absolutely crazy. The next thing I plan on doing right now is logging all the deliveries. What do you mean payment reference not valid? Like, I never understand customers that don't add like email address. I had this customer reach out, I'm like, oh, how do I track my details? Your email address, like if you do not include it there, how am I supposed to know? Then I have to respond to her and tell her, hey, you didn't share your email address. So I'll send her a message now to include this, but this is one of the things that kind of like delay like shipping people's things out, because now I can't like essentially add her email address for tracking. I already know her order number. She didn't include the email address and she's saying that she included it. We don't have the email address here. These are some of the things that frustrate me. Oh my god. Anyways, I have to go to another person's order. I can't sit down here and be waiting. Let me move to somebody else. Right, I've been able what the hell is happening with my voice? I'm so sorry. I've been able to rectify the sorry, 1 second. I need to send her an order confirmed email. Yeah, now I need to pack her order, but I'm so very happy. Sorry. I was doing that. Very happy that that was able to be resolved. But yeah, this is just one of many orders that kind of like frustrate me when I am packing orders. But quick resolution, just understanding the pain points of the customer, I guess. Oh crap, this thing took me back to the beginning. So everything, oh gosh. So everything I just did right now, out the window. So it can only take one order at a time, which is very frustrating. Let me see. Another fun part of my job, I can't print from my desktop. I have to move to my laptop and then either print from my laptop or move to my phone and print from my phone with a printer. I know, very complicated, but it makes everything worthwhile, if you know what I mean. My computer is lagging. Ay. I'm trying to also like create like very fun content, like behind the scenes content. So let me know what you guys also like to see. I'm not gonna go like detail of like my intricacies of my business, right? I'm just gonna show you like what I do normally, right? Every day. It's kind of like essentially the kind of stuff that we'll be saying me do. I think I just downloaded, right? No, I didn't. I think I just selected it and then the computer was lagging. Once I'm done with this, I'll refresh the computer so that it doesn't lag as much. I didn't shut down properly, so. I wasn't lying when I said that this thing happens a lot. In fact, I don't think the manufacturers of this printer understand or have tested out like some of the intricacies of their desktop app, because the mobile app is like perfect, but the desktop one frustrates me so freaking much. So right now I need to move the document from my computer to my phone, which is what I'm doing right now, and now try and print it. But essentially it's very frustrating because I should just be able to just download and print from here, but hey, c'est la vie. Then let's go and pack these orders. I'm gonna pack the rest with camera, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Why am I smacking my hand? Let me know in the comments and we'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.